What did you do? What did you do? You're not even signed to this. You never signed to this company. What did you do? He has a world championship match soon. You should not be doing this. Get bags on it. Get the paramedics. Get the paramedics. Good job, y'all. You did great. It's time to get Cody. Let's go.